An assembly is a C# code library, a collection of types and resources that are built to work together and form a logical unit of functionality. By default, Unity compiles almost all of your game scripts into a predefined assembly. For example, assembly c#.dll file. This works for small projects, but it has some drawbacks. Number 1, every time you change a script, Unity recompile all other scripts. Number 2, any other script can access type defined in any other script. Number 3, all scripts are compiled for all platforms. Organizing your scripts into a custom assemblies promotes modularity and reusability. It prevents them from getting added to the default assemblies and automatically and limits which other scripts they can access. In this diagram, you can see the project split into multiple assemblies. You might split up your code into multiple assemblies as shown in the diagram above. Here, any changes to the code in the main cannot affect the code in the stuff. Similarly, because the library doesn't depend on any other assembly, you can more easily reuse the code in library in another project. Assemblies in .NET has general information about assemblies in C#. Refer to the assembly definition in Unity documentation for more information about defining your own assembly in the Unity. I will also be showing you how we can create assembly definition in Unity. Open the Asset menu, go to Create and select Assembly. It will create an assembly file. I will name it as my platform assembly. Open the Inspector panel to view the assembly file. And these are the options available in this file. By selecting the platform, we can make it platform specific. In Unity, we can create assembly definition reference file by going to Assets, Create, and then select the assembly reference file. And it takes assembly definition file as a reference. Let's say I'm working on iOS, so I will select the iOS platform and hit apply. So in conclusion, assembly definitions and assembly references are the assets that you can create to organize your scripts into assemblies. And there is a lot you can do with assemblies. Please also refer to the Unity documentation for more details. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.